Hi, and welcome to this episode of On the Money. When it comes to retirement, some say to retire well, you'll need $1 to $2 million in assets and super. Well, that's not necessarily the case. A couple with around $250,000 in liquid assets and access to the government pension could receive an annual income of around $45,000. Of course, the amount you receive in your pension is determined by your income and assets, but a part pension plus reasonable liquid assets is still enough for many to live comfortably in retirement. To find out more about wealth creation strategies, talk to us. If your business spent, say, $200,000 on research and development, you could be in line for a net reduction in tax payable of $30,000. The R&D tax incentive provides a targeted tax offset designed to encourage activities which can benefit Australia. You might be developing a new product or designing a software application. If it's likely to have an impact on the way Australians work and do business, you may qualify. Head to the ATO's website for details. May 13 marks the handing down of this year's federal budget, and the word from the government so far is cuts. Spending reforms across many areas are expected, with the government trying to reduce a forecasted budget deficit of $47 billion. If you're concerned about what the upcoming budget could mean for you, please speak to us. Have you made a date to talk about money with your partner? It might not sound romantic, but it can benefit both your relationship and your financial situation. Research shows financial stress tops the list of reasons why partner relationships break down. Although discussing your financial situation might be the business end of the relationship, it doesn't mean you should feel pressured. So find a place where you both feel comfortable and ensure you're on the same page. If you're ready to take on the challenges of being a parent, it's worth investigating what financial incentives you may be entitled to. The baby bonus will no longer be available for children who are born or adopted on or after March 1, 2014. You may be eligible for parental leave pay or the newborn upfront payment. There are a number of other benefits available too, depending on your income and assets. Visit the Department of Human Services website for details. While it may be uncomfortable, planning your family's financial future in the event of your death can avoid heartbreak when the time comes. All too often we're seeing disasters when it comes to binding death benefit nominations in super funds not being valid or not even existing. Another oversight is money going to unintended recipients because of super fund rules. Now's the time to ensure your will covers trust and company assets and confirm all your nominations are up to date. That wraps up this episode of On the Money. If you'd like further information about these or other accounting issues, we'd welcome your call or email. See you next time.